energy, and that's how movement builds, right? We see what happened in West Virginia, we saw what happened in LA, and we are all part of the same struggle, the same fight.
VPS cannot afford to fund our schools with adequate books. They're literally falling apart in our hands because they're 16, 17 years old. We have roofs that are literally about to collapse on our head. That is not fair.
So we're starting with unsafe, unhealthy environments for learning.
Get on the soapbox and make space for people to speak their truths about the crisis in funding education. We
To
need
support
people
English language learners, to support our special education population. We just don't have what we need for day to day.
In the past 2 decades, the number of our assigned students has doubled.
There's chunks of time where there are no nurses, and they kind of just have to wait on the side of the classroom until a nurse is available. So that can get really frustrating for students.
But the fact that we have to be here today to demand access to equitable education is a disgrace.
When we say fund our future, it means we need to make sure that we are funding fully and equitably all the things that our students need.
PROMISE Act promotes justice for our students of color and low-income students.
increases school funding by more than $1 billion a year.
Tell your legislators to support the PROMISE Act and the CHERISH Act. The same education that they want for their children, we want for ours.
We need to have our kids leave high school and be able to afford college and a future ahead of them that isn't bonded to paying off debt for the rest of their lives.
It's time for the state that prides itself on public education to stop saying do more with less and to start saying, what do you all need to do our jobs? We will prevail for our children.
It was also a great opportunity for people all over the state to come together as we are marching and rallying and about to take in direct action, taking it to the State House. So it's a great day. You see this energy out here? It's great.
I think today we really sent a message. I mean, you've seen the crowd, you've seen the people. You know, we're on fire. I'm passionate about having books and supplies and smaller class size. And we need our legislation to get behind us, fully funded.